Number 1, Raphael participates in a reading program at his local library. He wants to read 100 books so he can get a trophy. To keep track of how many books he reads, Raphael colors one small square for each book he reads on the grid shown below. The shaded portion shows how many books Raphael has read so far. Write that number as a fraction. 48 tenths, 4 and 8 100ths, 48 100ths, or 52 100ths. Number 2, Madeline has made a goal to shoot 100 baskets this season. She records her baskets on the grid below. Which fraction represents Madeline's progress so far? 57 tenths, 57 hundredths, 43 tenths, 43 hundredths. Number 3, read and answer the question below. The figure below represents 39 hundredths. Which fraction is equivalent to this decimal? Number 4, read and answer the question below. Which decimal and fraction pair represent the shaded part of this model? Number 5, Ava went to a library in order to donate some books. She gave Miss Oldham 100 books. After checking the books, they noticed that 36 of the books were damaged. Which fraction shows the number of books that were not damaged? 35 100ths, 64 100ths, 36 64ths, or 64 tenths? Number 6, in the models below, the flat represents 1 unit. Which model shows 24 hundredths? Number 7, read and answer the question below. In the models below, the flat represents 1 unit. The width of an apple seed is 31 hundredths centimeter. Which model shows 31 hundredths? Number 8, in the model below, the flat shows 1 unit. What are the fraction and decimals shown by the model? 1 and 7 tenths, 1 and 1/7, 7 tenths, or 7 hundredths? Number 9, true or false? Hundredths are worth more than tenths in decimal place value. Number 10, read and answer the question below. Remember that the decimal 1 and 2 tenths can be written as a fraction. Mike and Chantal both drew a quick picture to represent the decimal 1 and 2 tenths. Whose picture is correct? Mike or Chantal?